All right, so today we're going to take a look at the Yealink T27G SIP phone. It's a VoIP phone for internet phone service or voice over IP. Here's the T27G, so let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and now talk about the volume rocker. This phone has 3 volume adjustments. So when the phone's sitting idle, the handset's on the receiver. This volume rocker acts as the ringer volume adjustment. So as you can see here, we're turning the ringer up, turning the ringer down. When the handset is off the base, it acts as the volume for the handset. And when the phone is on speakerphone mode, it's the volume for the speakerphone or the speaker. Adjust the volume rocker accordingly based on the mode that you're using, and it'll remember, for each of those 3 modes, it'll remember the volume setting that you had set for that mode, so you don't have to constantly adjust it each time.